Hey guys, so today I'm going to go over the iSet software, how to download it, how to install it, and also how to do some of the initial simple configuration. So once you're in front of your computer, you can just kind of go to a browser. I'm using Firefox. Just go to our website, colorlightinside.com, and then go to the Downloads tab and click Software. And then after that, you're going to go to the iSet section on the left and then pick either the Mac or the Windows version. So I'm on a Windows computer right now, so I'm going to download this one. It's only about 68 megabytes once you extract it. So you're going to click on the folder, then click extract all. If you don't see this extract all option, sometimes it's under the three dots here. So I'm going to extract it, go into the folder, and then run this executable. Click yes on the UAC prompt, accept the license agreement, and then if you click customize, you could pick a folder, or if you don't want to, you can just click install now, and it will just use the default directory. So I can close these other folders now, and then just click OK, and click Get Started. And then once you get to this window, you'll see three options. You can click New, and it'll create a new project. Or you could click Demo Project, which I'll do here. And I'll just pick Z5, click Create, and then now you're in your project. So once you first get in there, maybe you want to set a test pattern. You can set that here. You can change the brightness and the frame rate and the color depth as well. I'm not going to go too deep into all of the different features right now because this is just the quick getting started guide.